How you doing? Snow Castle Cats here. It's the 15th of January 2022 and it's icy cold outside. So cold, it's like, must be like 0 or 1 degree. But the cats wanted to come out for a mooch around. Here we have May with her dad, Toby. Big Toby. I haven't posted a video of the cats outside for a while because it's been so cold. But they do enjoy a bit of fresh air and a mooch around the garden because they're wearing big furry coats, aren't they? May's saying hello to me here. She's getting big, isn't she? Hey, come on. It's getting very big. Enjoying it? Do you like it, May? Hey? Do you like it? I hope everyone's keeping well. With subscribers and any new people that find our channel for the first time today, of which my analytics tells me it's usually at least 70% of people that watch one of my cat videos is their first time visiting the channel. So welcome to Snow Castle Cats. And then we have also our regular subscribers and commenters. Wow, May's very excited there. It's quite good for the cats to eat a bit of grass. It helps with their digestion. They kind of self-medicate with it. Toby does it sometimes. Toby loves it. You can also grow wheatgrass as well, which is quite nice for them, for house cats. Okay guys, I hope you've enjoyed today's video. We post cat and kitten videos every day, featuring the life and times of our cats. This sort of thing. Toby's sniffing the air there. The icy cold air. So yeah, from Snow Castle Cats, thanks for stopping by, and we will see you in the next video, of which there'll be many. Have a great day. Bye.